The most challenging thing for me after moving to Norway from the United States of America was just really integrating into the society as far as like the systems that are in place. Norway is really streamlined. You know, you have your personal number, you got your bank ID, things like this, but you need to have those things in order to like pay bills, to get credit, to get bank cards, for mail, for all type of stuff. And if you don't have that, you can't even get a phone number without a personal number. So if you don't have that stuff, it could be really difficult. And I came to the mainland directly from Svalbard, so I had a D number given to me on Svalbard, which allowed me to get a bank account with Sparabanken, and that allowed me to get a phone number with Telenor. But with a D number, you can't get bank ID. And bank ID is what you need for VIPs, to pay bills online. You need bank ID for like everything in Norway. So that was like my biggest challenge when I got to Tromsø, was that I needed to get my personal number from the tax office. And I was waiting for like a month and a half because they said they were gonna send it to me once my visa got approved and I did everything as far as like my residence card and stuff like that. But they had sent, I don't know why, they're the tax office, but they sent my personal number in a letter to Svalbard. Because it's supposed to be you get it in the mail and then you take that and you go to the bank and you switch everything. But they sent it to Svalbard. So I'm in Tromsø for like almost 2 months and I'm like, yo, I can't pay my bills, I can't do anything. Where is my personal number so I get my dang bank ID? And then I finally went to the tax office and they were like, oh, we have your physical address as Tromsdalen, but we have your mailing address as Svalbard. And I was like, why? You're the tax office. You know where I live, you're the tax office. So anyway, once I got that stuff straightened out, then everything started to become a lot smoother. And a lot of times Norwegians can't help you with that because they don't know. They're just Norwegian. It's like you come to America and ask me, what are the visa requirements or what do I need to do? I don't know, I'm American. So that was pretty much the biggest challenges, but I got that all worked out, so that's cool. And learning the language, like you need to learn a language. If you're a foreigner in any country and you plan to live there, you should learn a language. People should not have to switch their speak because of you. If you come to Norway, and you can't understand Norwegian, better figure it out. Nah, Norwegians are really cool. They'll speak English, but still, out of respect, you should be trying to. And just because you should be, you live here, so you need to learn.